What if the secret to sustainable housing wasn't just in what we build, but how we build it? What if a 3D printer could help save our planet? Welcome to The Future Is Now. Meet House Zero, a groundbreaking 3D printed home that could change the way we build forever. Located in East Austin, this 2,000 square foot, 3-bedroom home is more than just a modern marvel. It's a sustainable innovation. House Zero is built using Icon's proprietary material, Lavcrete, a low-carbon, durable concrete alternative that reduces waste and maximizes efficiency. Unlike traditional methods, which create tons of waste and consume vast resources, this 3D printed home uses only the material it needs, nothing more, nothing less. At the heart of House Zero is biophilic design, connecting humans to nature through architecture. Using 3D printing technology, Icon has created a space where every curve, every corner, and every ray of light is optimized for well-being and energy efficiency. And House Zero is just the beginning. Icon is working on numerous residential projects. The future of construction is more sustainable, more affordable, and more innovative than ever before. Follow Icon as they build a greener future one layer at a time. See you on the next The Future Is Now.